Hello students, in earlier lecture we discussed the chapter that is phase control, rectifier and inverter. For that lecture we covered one question that is single phase full wave half converter circuit or control circuit. Now in this section we will study single phase full wave full converter or control rectifier circuits. In this circuit there will be all four device will be SCRs. In earlier there will be only two SCR and two diodes. So here whole four devices are the SCR. SCR1, SCR3, SCR2, SCR4. That's why it is called as single phase full wave full control rectifier circuit. Here also resistive load is taken. This is the single phase full wave, single phase supply. L is the live point and N is the neutral point. Now waveform during positive half cycle of AC supply, that is 0 to pi. What happens? This uh, live point is more positive with respect to neutral point, therefore SCR1 and SCR2 will be forward bias, but at this time SCR3 and SCR4 will be reverse bias. Therefore, the waveform across the low is voltage waveform will be like this: alpha to pi, S1 and S2. S1 and S2 are the SCRs will be on during this interval. Once this AC supply voltage will cross the pi interval, that time this SCR1 and SCR2 will be turned off, that is reverse bias, and during this interval pi plus alpha to 2 pi, the next SCR3 and SCR4 will be on, that is forward bias. When SCR3 and SCR4 will be on, when neutral point is more positive with respect to light point. So at this time neutral point is more positive, then this SCR3 and SCR4 will be forward bias and SCR1 and SCR2 are reverse bias. So this is the explanation of circuit diagram and waveform. Again here load is resistive, so therefore the across load voltage as well as the current to this load will be same. Therefore the waveform will same appear, that is load voltage and the load current. So this is the load current with respect to omega t. So theory during pi to alpha to pi interval, that is during positive half cycle SCR1 and SCR2 forward bias, uh, the current path will be current flow will be from live to S1 on live point of single phase supply, S1 SCR1 RL resistive load, SCR2 and neutral. And next, when uh, neutral point is more positive with respect to the light point, the path current path will be from neutral point, then SCR4, load resistance, SCR3 and light points. Uh, in this question also there will be they will ask to derive the output voltage equation. In previous lecture we see the derivation of output voltage for DC value as well as RMS value. Same derivation will also refer to this question, that is single phase full wave full converter. So this is the circuit of single phase full wave full control. Only difference between half control and full control is that in half control circuit, two SCR and two diodes are used, but in full control circuit, two SCR of all four SCRs are considered. Only difference is between full wave, half control, and full control rectifier. So this is the end of section. In next, we will see the inverter circuit. Thank you.